Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chris Han. I review fashion, beauty, and lifestyle products on this channel. Okay, I've tested and shared a lot of at-home hair removal devices in the past few years. But today I'm going to talk about something that's quite different. An actual laser device that you can use at home. This is Tria 4X hair removal laser. It's the only FDA cleared at-home laser for permanent hair reduction. And it looks a little bit different from a lot of other hair removal devices for home use. And the result is actually impressive. So in today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how this one works, why laser is different from IPL, how I use it in my routine, my experience with this device, and my before and after results. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. Most of the at-home hair removal devices, they're not laser, they're IPL, intense pulsed light. IPL uses a broad spectrum of light. The light energy spreads out instead of targeting the hair follicle directly. Does it still work? I would say IPLs are effective in slowing down the hair regrowth process, but they usually don't permanently disable the hair follicles. But laser like this one right here works differently. Professional clinics use laser technology because it delivers targeted energy directly onto the hair follicles. That's why it can permanently reduce hair regrowth over time. So the big question has always been like, why don't we have real lasers for home use? That's exactly where Tria comes in. This is the Tria 4X hair removal laser, and what makes it special is that it uses diode laser technology, the same type of technology used in professional clinics. The Tria 4X delivers up to 233% more power than leading IPL devices, and it uses a precise 810 nanometer laser wavelength that directly targets the hair follicle. Most IPL devices use a broad spectrum of light, which is less targeted, and it usually delivers temporary hair reduction, while laser technology is designed for long-term reduction in hair regrowth. And also like that, this is FDA cleared for permanent hair reduction, which means the result is longer term. Instead of constantly maintaining the results with light pulses, this technology is designed to permanently disable the hair follicles. So how I use the device. The process is actually very simple. Start with clean shaved skin, no lotion or oils on the area before treatment. The Tria has a skin tone sensor, so when you place the base of the device against your skin, it checks whether your skin tone is compatible before activating. Then you select your power level. Higher levels deliver stronger energy, but if you're new to laser hair removal, it's totally fine to start lower and work your way up. Place the treatment window flat against your skin. You'll hear a beep when the laser fires. Then you move to the next small area. I usually work in a slow grid pattern so I don't miss anything. Because this is laser rather than IPL, the treatment window is smaller and more precise, which helps target the follicles more directly. After the treatment, I apply a soothing gel to the treated area to calm the skin and add moisture. This step is optional, but it feels really nice after treatment and it helps keep the skin comfortable. But how does laser technology actually work for hair reduction? Let me quickly explain what's happening under the skin. Laser energy is absorbed by melanin in the hair. The heat damages the follicle, so it can't keep producing hair normally. After a few treatments, the hair becomes thinner and the growth slows down dramatically. In some hair follicles, it stops growing altogether. Just so you know, hair grows in cycles. That's why laser hair removal treatments are done every couple of weeks to catch the follicles in their active growth phase. That's exactly the schedule I followed. I've been testing the Tria 4X on my body for a couple weeks now. My schedule was I started with the first treatment, and 2 weeks later I did my second, and another 2 weeks later that's my third treatment. Now I haven't been treating it or shaving it for over 2 weeks. I don't see a lot of hair regrowth. So I intentionally picked an area on my leg where I still had some visible hair. As you can see, I didn't really have a lot of hair. It's not like a huge amount, which is very common if you had done some treatments in clinics or at home before. For me, I would say the results are very impressive and very visible because the leftovers are the most stubborn hair on my leg. If a device like this can remove the most stubborn hair on my body, I mean, they can easily remove the rest of them. The device feels like more intensive than IPL because the treatment head, as you can see, it's more targeted. But the treatment sessions are very manageable. With the targeted treatment window here, you are treating a very small skin area at a time. So for me, after 3 treatments, the hair in that section is totally gone. I'm honestly shocked at how smooth this skin area looks like now. And this result lines up with the clinical research of the device, which shows that a laser device like this can deliver visible hair reduction in just a few treatments. You can see up to 75% hair reduction after just 2 treatments, and up to 100% hair reduction after a full course. Obviously, everyone's results may vary depending on the skin tone, depending on the hair type. Okay, here's one of the leading IPL devices on the market. Laser versus IPL, what are the biggest differences? IPL uses broad light spectrum. It's less precise. That's why it's mostly for temporary hair reduction. But laser uses targeted wavelengths with deeper follicle penetration, and this is for longer term results. So basically, Tria is bringing the clinical technology into an at-home treatment device. After testing Tria 4X for a few weeks, I can really see the differences compared to typical IPL devices. The treated section is not growing any hair anymore, which is quite impressive. It's very amazing. If you want to check it out, I will link the Tria 4X in the video description along with the code for 10% off. If you have any questions about Tria 4X or if you want me to try any other beauty devices, feel free to use the comment section down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!